So today we will start our next cell organelle, which is a mitochondria. So as you know, in our daily life we perform number of activities or mechanical work. Beside this, number of chemical activities or reaction take place inside our body. For this all, we need energy, and from where this energy comes, it is generally released by a cell organelle which is known as mitochondria. How? Our cell organelle mitochondria release energy in the form of ATP. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. So basically our body use energy which is stored in adenosine triphosphate, that is ATP, for synthesis or making of new compound and for performing various mechanical work. So our body student require energy for performing mechanical work or various activities, and this energy is released by a cell organelle mitochondria. In which form? In the form of ATP, where ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate, and our body will use this energy which is stored in the ATP for making new compound as well as for performing mechanical work. So student, there are one liner question which are very important for the point of view, and they are: the first one is, which organelle is known as powerhouse of a cell? So it is very simple, it is mitochondria. So mitochondria is a cell organelle which is known as powerhouse of a cell. Next one is energy currency of a cell. So ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate, is regarded as energy currency of a cell. Why? Because it used or it store energy which is used for making new substances as well as for performing mechanical work. Next is structure of mitochondria. So basically when we see structure of mitochondria, it consists of two membrane, or its body is covered by two membrane. Out of these two membrane, one membrane is porous and it is outer. Porous means it contains small hole which allow exchange of material between cytoplasm and our mitochondria, and the inner membrane is deeply folded. So when we see inner membrane of mitochondria, it is generally deeply folded. There are number of folds are there which provide or which help in provide large surface area for ATP generating reaction. So it is also very important to know that inner membrane is the part of mitochondria where ATP generating reaction are taking place. So a structure of mitochondria is consist of two membrane. Out of two membranes, one is porous which is outer, and the inner membrane is folded, which help in providing surface for ATP generating reactions. Beside this, our mitochondria also contain DNA, which stand for deoxyribonucleic acid, and ribosome, which are protein factories because they help in synthesis of protein. So our mitochondria contain DNA and ribosome, hence it can make its own copy. Hence this is the reason due to which mitochondria is also known as self-duplicating organelle, means it make its own copy number of time, similar to that of amoeba. As amoeba divide its body into two parts and perform number of its copy, similarly mitochondria also undergo duplication or make its number of copy. So today in this video we have discussed about mitochondria. So mitochondria is a powerhouse of a cell, as various chemical activity or mechanical work require energy which is released by mitochondria. In which form? In the form of adenosine triphosphate. How adenosine triphosphate? act as energy currency of cell because it store energy in the form of ATP, which used in making of new compound or performing mechanical work. So when we see structure of mitochondria, it consists or its body covered by two membrane, outer membrane, inner membrane. Outer membrane is porous, that means contains small holes, whereas inner membrane is deeply folded because it provides large surface area for ATP generating reaction. So ATP generation take place in the inner membrane of mitochondria. Next one is it is also known as self-duplicating organelle because it contains its own DNA and ribosome which allow it to form its copies. So with this we have covered mitochondria. So in your examination this question also repeated number of times, which is mitochondria why regarded as powerhouse of a cell. Number of times this question has been asked in your examination. So mitochondria is regarded as powerhouse of a cell because it produces ATP, which produced at the inner membrane of the mitochondria. These ATP are used in the synthesis or making of new compound. Besides this, also provide energy to perform mechanical work. So, due to production of ATP and ATP, which provide energy to do mechanical work or synthesis of new material. This due to the above reason, mitochondria is regarded as powerhouse of a cell. So with this we have covered mitochondria. I will also send animated video of mitochondria for getting more clarity about its structure in the next video part. Thank you.